In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the low beam headlights on your Kia Sportage. This should be the same from about 2017 to 2022. This is a fairly easy job you can do yourself at home. You don't have to take it to the dealership. You'll save yourself some time and money. I'll put links in the description below on the headlights I installed, so let's get started. All right here on the passenger side, this is a dust cover. We're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise. And then pull straight off. And see the headlight bulb. Now we're going to rotate this to the left or counterclockwise to remove it. Now we need to remove this wire harness from the headlight. You'll see this tab right here. You're going to push down. See this tab right here, you're going to push down and pull, and now you can remove the headlight. Now we're going to be installing the new headlights. I like to use latex gloves so I don't ever touch the light. So the first thing we're going to do is plug the wire harness into the light. Just push the harness into the light bulb. You'll see this clip kind of come over this notch, and now we know it's locked into place. Now we're going to push the headlight in. You're going to kind of feel it line up, and then we're going to rotate it to the right or clockwise to lock it into place. Now it should be straight up and down when it's locked in place. Just give it a little tug and make sure it doesn't come out. Now we can reinstall that dust cap. Now there's 4 notches in the dust cap. Make sure those are all lined up. And you can see how it pushes in. It's a little bit springy because of that O-ring. So you're going to push in, you got to push kind of hard, turn it to the right, and it will lock in place. And pardon my messy garage floor, but you can see on the right, the passenger side is much brighter and more of a white bulb. And then there on the left, on the driver's side, that is the factory bulb. Factory bulbs, we're going to rotate that left or counterclockwise as well. And then same thing here, we need to push down on that tab. Separate the old bulb. Latex gloves, we're going to install the wire harness onto our new bulb. Once you get it lined up, just push straight down. Make sure that tab goes over that so it's locked into place. If you see the angle of this, you're at about maybe the 5 o'clock position. So you're going to push in, turn to the right. Once it's locked into place, it should be straight up and down. Just give it a pull and make sure it's in place. If you look on the back of the dust cover, you have these tabs. That's what's going to have to line up with these slots here on the inside. Once you have the dust cover slots lined up, you need to push in. You got to push in kind of hard. And we're going to rotate clockwise to the right. And it's going to lock into place. And just so you guys can see a difference. And now you can see on my wall how nice and bright these are. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is a fairly easy one to replace the headlights in. Hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step video, and thanks for watching.